Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss chapter 2 polynomials. First you have to know what are polynomials. Polynomials are some algebraic expressions such as x square, x plus 2, x plus y, 2x, y, 4x minus 7, 8xy plus 2. These are the algebraic expressions. So here power is 2, exponent is 2, here power is 1, here power 1, power 1, here 1 and 1. So here various type of algebraic expressions. This one quadratic polynomial in one variable, quadratic because here power is 2. This one power 1, this one linear, and this one quadratic polynomial. 2xy, here variables, two variables are there, x and y, and multiplied by 2. So this one also a polynomial, and this type of polynomial is called monomial. Monomial, when two or more variables are multiplied together, then this one monomial. This one also called monomial. This one binomial. Here two terms are there. Here two terms. This one also binomial. This one also binomial. Here binomial in two variables. This one binomial in two variables. This one binomial in two variables. But this one binomial in one variable. And remember one thing, the polynomials, the exponent of polynomials always whole number. 2 plus 7. This one not polynomial. The exponent of the polynomial should be whole number. Remember this one, whole number. That means from 0 to infinity. X power minus 1 minus 8. That means you can write 1 by x minus 8. So here exponent is negative. So this one not a polynomial. So a linear polynomial in the form ax plus b, and a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constant. All are constant. A is called coefficient of x square. And b is called coefficient of x, and c constant. And the highest power of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Remember this one, highest power of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. This one degree. Here degree is 1, this one degree. When highest power is 1, then this one linear. This polynomial is linear. When highest power is 2, quadratic. When highest power is 3, say ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In this type, then this one cubic polynomial. Remember this one. Simply say 3, 4, these are the numbers. This one also called polynomial, and this type of polynomial, constant polynomial. And the degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Say 3, you can write 3 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1. So degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Degree of constant polynomial is 0. Degree of the constant polynomial is 0. But simply 0. This polynomial is called 0 polynomial. 0, and degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Remember this one. Now exercise 2.1. Number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. Polynomial is one variable. Here x. So one variable. Now you have to check highest power. What is the highest power? Highest power is 2. And power, the exponent should be whole number. Remember this one? So this one polynomial in one variable. And this one quadratic polynomial. This one polynomial in one variable. Here y square plus root 2. This one also polynomial. This one also quadratic. Variable is one. Polynomial in one variable. 3 root t. That means t to the power 1 by 2. T into root over 2. Here the power of t is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not whole number. So this one not polynomial. Not polynomial. Exponent should be whole number. This one you can write y plus 2 by y means 2 into y to the power minus 1. So this one also not polynomial. Not polynomial. Not polynomial because you can write the reason because the exponents are not whole number. You can write the reason. Next, x power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. This one also polynomial in 3 variables. Here 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variables. This one polynomials in 3 variable. Next, number 2, write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means whose numbers are multiplied by x square. So here coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Here coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. Here coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is multiplied with x square. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Here there is no x square. So coefficient of x square is 0. Coefficient of x square is 0. That means you can write 0 into, you can write here 0 into x square plus root 2x minus 1. So coefficient of x square is 0. Here 2x minus 3 into x square minus 3x plus 1. First we have to multiply this one. 2x into x square, that means 2x cube. 2x into minus 3x minus 6. 2 3s are 6. X into x square. 2x into 1 plus 2x. Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9x. Minus 3 into plus 1 minus 3. So simplify this one. 2x cube minus 6x square minus 3x square minus 9x square. 2x plus 9x 11x minus 3. So here coefficient of x square is minus 9. Here coefficient of x square is minus 9. You can write the notes. Number 3, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. You can write any example. Here binomial means you have to write two terms of degree 35. You can write x to the power 35 minus 4, or you can write another one also. And a monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. Simply you can write x power 100, y power 100, or 4y power 100, 4 into y power 100, 7 into z power 100. You can write any one. These are the examples. Question number 4. Write the degree of the polynomials. Write degree. Degree means highest power of the polynomial. Here highest power is 3. So here degree 3. Here highest power is 2. Degree 2. Here highest power is 1. So degree 1. Here constant polynomial. Remember this one. The degree of the constant polynomial is 0. Degree. Number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Linear means highest power is 1. So this one highest power is 2. Quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Here highest power is 3. Cubic. Here highest power is 2. Quadratic. Quadratic polynomial. Here highest power is 1. Linear. This one 1. Linear. Here quadratic. This one cubic. So exercise 2.1 is over. I have discussed all basic concepts of polynomial. So I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, Please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.